So I'm going to talk about the micas a little bit, and primarily Muscovite. So micas are these chain silicate minerals. So or sorry, not chain, sheet silicate minerals. So the silicates that make up this mineral make these flat sheets, and that ends up being exhibited in the type of cleavage they have. So you can see this is a really thin piece of Muscovite. It definitely gets thinner. You can actually see my hand through this. And when we get nice, big, thick pieces of Muscovite, we'll call them books of Muscovite. But there's kind of a group of these silicates called Micas. The other really common one you'll see is Biotite. So this one's actually been cut into a square. It doesn't grow like that necessarily. But there's Biotite. It's a lot darker. It's black. Biotite, black, easy to remember. On a test, if you if you tell me, oh, it's a mica, I'll give you half credit, but I'm really looking for the actual name. So Muscovite's kind of the main primary one. Biotite, and I want to show you a special one. This is actually my own personal sample. I got it at a little rock show or something. It's called Lepidolite, and you can see it's kind of purplish. And this is a fairly important mineral to our modern times. This is one of the cations in this is lithium. So this is an ore kind of lithium. You can mine this for lithium and use it in lithium batteries. I don't know how much of this is actually mined commercially for lithium. I think most lithium mining is done through mining salts and brines and things. Lithium can actually end up being a part of salt. It'll replace the sodium in NaCl. Sometimes you can find LiCl. But yeah, there's some lepidolite, a purple muscovite. And I didn't know it was a lithium. It had lithium in it until some students actually did a little paper on it for me last semester. And everybody, all 3 different papers were like, oh man, there's this mica called lepidolite, and it's got lithium in it. And I was like, oh dang, I got some of that. So I just wanted to show it to you. It's kind of pretty. But it's, definitely exhibits that one plane of cleavage, and it's pretty soft too and kind of flaky. Pretty easy to identify the micas.